Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your Samsung A11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Samsung A11 and then you might be getting unwanted call, or you want to block someone in your phone. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, I want to block someone, so you need to go in your device, just dial pad and then click this upper side, this dot, and then you will find here setting. So you're going to click here setting. After click on setting, you will find here something called block number. If you click there, the screen will appear something like this. You can make block unknown caller. That means if the number is not saving the unknown caller, you can all the call will be blocked. Or if you want to add the block from some you have in contact list, you can easily choose click on contact list. You can block some, or if you are in the person in recent, you can choose the recent contact list and you can choose the person you want to block. For example, I want to block this one and I'm going to click here done. And now this is in my block list. So if this person is going to be blocked, if I'm receiving any calls from him or message, I'm not going to receive because that will be in block. So if you decide to unblock someone, you can easily click this minus button and it will return back to normal mode. So in this way you can easily block someone in your Samsung A11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.